Ever wonder why no matter how much you earn, it feels like your money just disappears? You're not alone. Most people fall into hidden financial traps that quietly drain their income month after month without even realizing it. Today, we're breaking down 5 money habits that keep you broke, and more importantly, how to fix them so you can start building lasting wealth and financial freedom. Habit number 1. Spending everything you earn. This is the biggest trap. Living paycheck to paycheck. Many people treat their entire paycheck as spending money instead of using it to build wealth. The fix? Pay yourself first. Save at least 10 to 20% of your income before you pay bills or buy anything else. Automate your savings so it happens without thinking. The goal is to make saving a habit, not a chore. Over time, that small percentage grows into your financial safety net. Habit number 2, ignoring your budget. If you don't track your money, it controls you. Many people think budgeting limits freedom, but in reality, it creates it. When you know where every dollar goes, you gain control over your spending, find room to save, and hit your goals faster. The fix? Use a simple budgeting app or spreadsheet. Track your expenses weekly. Once you see where your money leaks out, you can plug those holes and redirect your cash toward things that truly matter. Habit number 3. Relying on credit for lifestyle purchases. Using credit cards for vacations, dining out, or the latest gadgets might feel rewarding in the moment, but it creates long-term debt and financial stress. The fix? Use credit strategically. Pay your balance in full every month and only charge what you can already afford in cash. Treat rewards points like a bonus, not an excuse to overspend. Remember, debt-free is the real luxury. Habit number 4, not investing early. Many people wait until they have more money to start investing, but that's one of the biggest mistakes. Time is your most valuable asset. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow through compound interest. The fix? Start small. Even $25 or $50 a month in a retirement account or index fund can grow significantly over time. Investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Habit number 5, failing to set financial goals. If you don't have a plan for your money, it will find its own way out the door. Without clear goals, saving and investing feel aimless, and motivation fades fast. The fix? Set short-term and long-term financial goals. Maybe it's paying off debt, buying a home, or building a 6-month emergency fund. Write them down, review them often, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Breaking these 5 money habits takes discipline and consistency, but the payoff is worth it. Peace of mind, financial freedom, and the confidence that comes from controlling your money instead of letting it control you. Want to master more money habits? Explore our top recommended online courses in the description below and start taking your wealth-building skills to the next level. Please like, share, and subscribe for more workplace success tips. Visit businesstrainingmedia.com for more in-depth smart money and investing strategies, online courses, and free resources. Thanks for watching.